Welcome to The Explainer. Today, we're going to crack open a really powerful options trading playbook. It's all about showing you exactly which strategy to use based on the market's current weather pattern. We're getting past all the theory and jumping right into a system, taking some pretty high-level institutional knowledge about market gamma and breaking it down into steps you can actually use.
Okay, but before we get into the good stuff, we have to do our standard financial disclaimer. Remember, everything you see here is for your information and education only. Trading options is seriously risky, so please do your own homework and talk to a qualified pro.
So let's start with a question that I know just drives traders crazy. You've done all your research, right? You pick a solid, high-probability strategy like an iron condor, you set it up perfectly, and then, bam, the market makes a crazy 5% move out of nowhere and just blows up your trade. Why? Why does that keep happening?
Well, the answer usually comes down to the single most expensive mistake a trader can make: using the same tool for every single job. It's like trying to use a screwdriver when you really need a hammer. You're selling iron condors when the market's going wild, or you're buying calls when it's going nowhere, and then you're left wondering why you got crushed. See, the solution isn't finding a better strategy, it's having a better system for picking the right strategy at the right time.
Okay, let's really dig into this. The entire solution is built on a simple idea. The market really only has two basic weather patterns, or regimes. And these regimes are driven by how the big options market makers and dealers are positioned, which is something we can actually measure with a thing called gamma.
So, what is gamma exposure? Look, forget all the complicated math for a second. All you really need to know is that it tells us what the big dealers are up to. Are they in a position where they're going to absorb volatility and keep things calm? Or are their own hedging activities about to pour fuel on the fire and make things go crazy? Knowing that, well, that's the key to everything.
And that leads us to the most important point, the one fundamental rule you need to burn into your brain. You have to match your option strategy to the gamma regime. You sell premium when dealers are set up to kill volatility, and you buy options when they're set up to amplify it. Trying to fight this is like trying to swim against a riptide. It's just not going to work.
Now, this is great because it breaks the whole system down so cleanly. On the left, you've got your calm, sunny weather. That's a positive gamma regime. In this world, dealers are long gamma, so they have to buy the dips and sell the rips to stay hedged. This acts like a giant shock absorber, squashing volatility and pinning the price in a range. Your job here? Sell premium. But then, on the right, you've got the stormy weather, negative gamma. Here, their hedging is slipped upside down. They have to sell into weakness and buy into strength. This just amplifies every single move, creating these big volatile trends. Your job here? Buy options and ride that wave.
All right, so let's get into the actual playbook. Let's start with that calm weather scenario. The data comes in, it tells us we're in a positive gamma environment. So what do we do? Which strategy do we pull out of the toolbox? The classic go-to strategy for this environment is the iron condor. Basically, you're selling a call spread way up high and to put spread way down low, all at the same time. And your goal is super simple. You want the price to do, well, pretty much nothing. You just want it to hang out and stay inside that range you've defined. You are literally getting paid for stability.
And here's why it works so beautifully. You're not just crossing your fingers and hoping the price stays in a range. No, you're trading in an environment where the market's own internal plumbing is working to keep it in that range. The dealers are literally setting up a floor below your price and a ceiling above it. This crushes realized volatility. And when vol is low, time decay, what we call theta, is king. The options you sold just melt away in value day after day, and you get to collect that decay as profit.
But hey, the weather doesn't stay sunny forever, right? Eventually, the market flips into a negative gamma regime. The wind starts to howl, the waves get choppy. So what's our playbook now? Because let me tell you, trying to sell an iron condor here is an absolute recipe for disaster. We need a totally different set of tools. In this stormy market, we turn to something like a long straddle. With this, you're buying both a call option and a put option right at the same strike price, same expiration. You're not betting on stability anymore, you're betting on an explosion. And the beautiful part is you don't even care which way it goes. You just need a big, powerful move, up or down, and you win. Now here's the crucial part.
The same dealer hedging that helped you in the call market is going to help you again, but now it's working in reverse. In negative gamma, dealers are forced to chase the price. So if the market starts to fall, they have to sell more, which pushes it even lower. If it starts to rally, they have to buy more, pushing it higher. It's a feedback loop, and it's what creates those huge trending moves. The profit your straddle makes from that price move, its gamma, is going to completely overwhelm the little bit of money it loses to time decay. You are literally getting paid to take advantage of the chaos. Okay, so we have the two environments, and we have the two playbooks. How do we put it all together? How do you go from just randomly picking strategies to being a systematic regime trader who adapts to what the market is giving you? Well, it's all about having a clear, repeatable process.
It really just boils down to this simple 3-step workflow you can do every week. Step 1. On Sunday night or Monday morning, your first job is to identify the regime. Check the gamma data. Is it positive? Cool, it's a premium selling week. Is it negative? Okay, time to look at buying options. Step 2, select the right play from the right playbook. And step 3, this is absolutely critical, manage the trade. You have to watch those gamma levels every day. If the regime flips on you midweek, you can't be stubborn. You close the trade, you protect your capital, and you adapt to the new reality.
Think of this matrix as your ultimate cheat sheet. Top row, positive gamma. Your main tool is the iron condor, and you want to avoid buying options that are just going to decay to zero. Middle row, negative gamma. You're using long straddles, and you avoid selling premium like the plague. And then there's that bottom row, which might be the most important one, the transition zone. When gamma is flat or flipping back and forth, the smartest play is often no play at all. Sit on your hands, stay in cash, and wait for the weather to clear. Remember, preserving your capital is a strategy in itself.
And that right there, that sums up the entire philosophy. You're never, ever going to find one single option strategy that works all the time. The real edge, the institutional edge, comes from having a whole playbook of strategies and knowing exactly when to use each one based on what the market is actually doing under the hood. It's about being a chameleon, not a bulldog trying to force your will on the market. So what's the big takeaway from all this? It's simple. Stop guessing. Stop forcing your favorite strategy on a market that just isn't built for it. Start your process by first figuring out the market's gamma regime, and then pick the right tool for that specific job. That's how you go from just gambling to trading like a professional.
And there you have it, the complete playbook for trading options based on gamma environments. If this explainer helped you see the market in a new way, if it gave you a real edge, do us a huge favor. Hit that like button, subscribe, and share this on the Elite Trade Radar channel. We put out more institutional-grade insights just like this to help you level up your trading. We'll see you in the next one.